Good afternoon, my respected members, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am very happy that I got a chance to speak about my introduction. My name is Soumya. I am studying in third standard. My school name is St. Robin Public School. My school situated at Saket. I live at Madangadi in Delhi. Basically, I belong to UK. I love my India. I proud of my nation. My dream is to be a doctor. This is my aspiration aim. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I am fond of dancing, playing, and reading. I would like to say full form of my name. S means smart, A means achievers, A means achievers, U means understanding, M means modest, Y means airing, A means active. At last, I would like to say thank you for your love, support, and motivation. I will try my level best in next time. Till then, goodbye. Good afternoon to all my respective members, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am very happy that I got a privilege to speak about my introduction. My name is Manan. I am 7 years old. I study in second standard. My school name is Morning Star Public School. I live at Madangadi in Delhi. Basically, I belong to Haryana. My parents belong to Haryana. As far as my family are concerned, there are 4 members. My father is a government employee. My mother is a housewife. I have one sister and me. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I found out dancing, playing, singing, and reading. As far as I want to be a IAS officer. My name is Manan. I would like to tell you full form of my name. M means modest, A means active, N means nice, A means amiable, N means noble. I will try my level best next time. Thank you very much. Till then, goodbye.